You obviously need to raise the headlights up to change the bulbs. If you're going to do it by hand via the motor, make sure to disconnect the battery's ground cable before you do it. Begin by using the headlight motor on the right side of the car to raise the lights. Remove the cover on the motor and turn the wheel on the top, red arrow, until the lights are fully raised. There is a plastic covering around the front of the light and the housing, red arrow. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the single screw on the bottom of the cover, yellow arrow. With the screw removed, unclip the cover from the assembly and remove it from around the light, red arrow. There are several different Phillips head screws for holding the light in place, aiming and adjusting, and holding the entire mechanism in the assembly. Locate the 3 screws that hold the trim ring in place, red arrows, and use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove them. With the screws removed, the trim ring, red arrow, and the light, yellow arrow, will probably fall forward from the mounting assembly, green arrow, so be prepared. Gently remove the wiring connection from the back of the bulb, red arrow. These are old at this point, so use care. This photo illustrates the back of a factory-sealed light, red arrow. Carefully check the conditioning of the wiring connector, red arrow. The wires and the connectors can be dried out, splitting, and full of corrosion. Make sure yours are safe, clean, and you can apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the back of the bulb connections. This photo illustrates the 2 Phillips head adjusting screws for aiming the headlights, red arrows. Make sure that these are clean and not corroded or rusted. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.